Hello everyone. Today we are going to check how to operate the mobile concrete pump. First of all, we have to check the major thing when reaching at the site, the level of the ground, ensuring to maintain a proper level and then open the jack according to the level of the ground. In the second step, we have to position the boom in accordance with the project requirement, making sure to open the boom one by one. The third step is to fill the water in the bucket and make sure the water reach at the piston area for the first stroke to be smooth. The next step will be to make 2 or 3 test strokes and ensure the grease is filled properly and the pump is functioning perfectly. You have to make sure and ensure the grease level and the hydraulic level should be balanced before working in the mobile pump. After making sure the pump is in perfect operational space, then you can start pouring the concrete inside the bucket and start delivering the concrete to the delivery area. After the work is finished and the concrete is delivered at the site, we need to pass the ball inside the pipeline. After completing pouring the concrete to the desired area, we need to close the boom as in order we open it by closing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 boom respectively.